kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, this will be the part 28 of my video series on real-time family GPS tracker using Android Studio. Alright guys, so in this video we will continue from where we had left. So we were in the add value event listener. So after we clear the array list, so we need to sorry guys, I am not feeling very well. I have some throat problems. So we can have, so here we can check if data snapshot dot exist. Okay, if the data snapshot exists, so we just want to display all the members. Okay, so for that we can say for data snapshot dss and data snapshot dot get children. All right, and inside that we need to fetch the circle member id. So for that let's write string circle member id, and inside that we can say circle member id equals to dss dot child, and inside that we can say circle member id dot get value, and inside that we can say string dot class. All right, and after that we can say users reference dot child, and inside that I need to use circle member id. Okay, so now we need to fetch the circle member id. I hope you understand me. All right, dot add listener for single value event new single value event listener, and inside our own data changed method, so we can say create user equals to, so we will fetch the object from the circle members node. So for that we can say data snapshot dot get value, and inside our get value method we can say create user dot class. All right, so now we will be fetching the information of the my circle members inside our create user object. Okay, so now we need to add it to the list view. So we created the list view as name list dot add, and inside that we will send the create user. All right, and finally we can say recycler view. Okay, adapter dot notify data set change. All right, and inside our own cancel method we can print a message. Okay, and similarly we will just copy that and we will paste it inside our own cancel method. Okay, and here we just now need to use the adapter equals to new members adapter. Okay, so we will create this class adapter, and inside that we need to pass the name list and get the context of the current activity, and after that we can say recycler view dot set adapter, and we will set the adapter here. Also we can say recycler view dot okay adapter dot notify data set change. Okay, alright guys, so here what we have done are, I mean, we have completed the mycircle activity, but now we need this member adapter class. So here we can say new Java class, and inside we will name it as members adapter. Alright, so from there you will see that there we have now this error because we need to have the default the constructor here. Alright guys, so we will continue in our next video. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.